I got the green light is on. Purple is there. I hit that. Still one green light. It says it's a 0%. I just had it plugged in and all 5 of the green lights were lit up. Let's hold it down for a second. Okay, now it turned off. And the green light went out. Let's do it again. Hold it down. Or press it once. Okay, no, nothing. Okay, blue light and green light. One green light on the robot. Let's hit. Oh, now it's purple. Let's hold it. Press it again. One green light. Let's hit home button. One beep. Does nothing. What the fuck? This is still purple. Let's hold it down. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. One green light. Fuck. Hold it down. So it goes off. Okay. Does nothing when you press it once. Let's see. Hold it down. Okay. Blue. And then purple. One green light. I can press the button here on the robot. Okay, I pressed it one time. And it's still purple there. It's still one green light. It's not doing anything. Okay, I guess I turned it off. Okay, and the green light went off. So let's turn it back on. Okay, green is blue. That's purple. I had to turn green at some point, I thought. Blue. Well, that just turns it off. Okay. So one press does nothing. Okay, blue. And the green light came on. That's good. Guess. And now it's purple. We can press play. Green, purple. One green light. It's not doing anything.